Let's find the value of x given that the square root of x plus the square root of x minus 12 is equal to 12. Well, our first step will be for us to move the square root of x to the right so that we have the square root of x minus 12 remaining on the left hand side equal to, I've already got 12 on the right, and as the square root of x crosses to the right, it becomes minus the square root of x. Now to get rid of this square root, I have to take the square of both sides. Now taking the square of both sides, you notice that the right hand side is of the form a minus b all squared. And whenever we have an expression like this can be expanded as a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. So we're going to be expanding the right hand side in this form. But now notice that on the left, this square cancels out the square root, leaving behind x minus 12 to be equal to, now expanding this like this, we have 12 squared minus 2 times 12 times the square root of x, and then plus the square root of x squared. Now notice that this square cancels out the square root, leaving behind x. So we have here as x minus 12 to be equal to 12 squared is 144 minus 2 times 12 times the square root of x is 24 root x, and then plus x. Now notice that we have x on the left and we also have x on the right. So this x can go with this x. So leaving behind negative 12 equal to 144 minus 24 root x. Now our next step will be for us to move 144 to the left hand side. So we have negative 12 on the left, and as 144 crosses to the left, it becomes negative 144. And this is equal to, now we have negative 24 root x remaining on the right hand side. And simplifying further, negative 12, negative 144, we have negative 156 to be equal to, this is negative 24 root x. Now we divide both sides by negative 24. So I'll divide the left by negative 24. I'll also divide the right by negative 24. Now notice that this negative cancels out this negative. 12 can divide. 156 divided by 12 is 13. 24 divided by 12 is 2. So on the left we have 13 over 2 to be equal to, on the right, negative 24 can cancel out negative 24, leaving behind the square root of x. Now to get rid of the square root, we have to square both sides. So I'll square the left, I'll also square the right. Now squaring the left, 13 squared is 169 all over 2 squared is 4. And this is equal to, now the right hand side, this square cancels out the square root, leaving behind x. So we have the value of x to be equal to 169 over 4. Now let's check. So on checking, we want to prove that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side with this value of x. So we have the square root of x. X is 169 over 4 plus the square root of x minus 12, which is 169 over 4 minus 12. So we're proving to see if we're going to be having 12 as a result. Now this expression can be written as the square root of 169 all over the square root of 4 plus the square root of, now I'm going to be putting 1 here. Now what is the LCM of 4 and 1? That will be 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 169 is 169 minus 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 12 is 48. So we're solving to see if we're going to be having 12 as a result. Now the square root of 169 is 13 all over the square root of 4 is 2 plus the square root of, now 169 minus 48 is 121 all over 4. So will this be 12? Now this becomes 13 over 2 plus, now this can be written as the square root of 121 all over the square root of 4. Simplifying further, this becomes 13 over 2 plus the square root of 121 is 11 all over the square root of 4 is 2. And this is equal to, since the both fraction has the same denominators, so the denominator will be 2, which is either one of them. Now add the numerator, so 13 plus 11 is 24, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. So we can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, which shows that x equal to 169 is actually a solution. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.